This is the storm of October 2011, and I'm trying to get home. And this is what it's like everywhere. This is a 2-lane road. It's 1 lane. There's trees down everywhere. You can barely get by. Oh, and a branch just hit my car. This is what it looks like all the way from where. This is Palmer now that we're in. Today's October 30th, believe it or not, 2011. I don't know if this car is stuck here, or yeah, looks like they're stuck. Oh geez. Yep. I'm stuck too. Oh my goodness. Hoping I can get out of here. Not even sure if I was supposed to go this way, but I saw the tire marks, so I thought it was okay. Scratching the hell out of my car, my new car. Looks a little bit better right here. There's power lines here, so there's not any trees here though. Oh, I see a big one down up ahead. I'm just hoping I can get home. The main road is coming up in a minute if I can make my way to it. There's a pretty big tree down over there. If this is what it's like in October in Massachusetts, I'd hate to see it in January or February. Oh jeez. Looks like I'm gonna have to drive under this tree right here. Oh. Luckily I got by that. If I had my Altima, I would never make it home. Never in a million years. Comes a truck. The only thing that can make it, I mean, I have the Jeep, but if you don't have a truck or something, you're not going to make it around here. No way. Snow is mega deep. Look at another power line down right there. That big power line down, going under it. People plowing. This is just devastating. This is Palmer, Massachusetts. For anybody who's watching that's not local. That's in Western Mass. Oh, I'm coming upon another car here. I don't know how I'm gonna get by. Oh, just barely made it. I just got this Jeep in July, and I'm glad I did because my husband has a Dodge Avenger and I have a Nissan Altima, so we would have been in trouble if that's all we had. Oh, jeez. My car is going to be scratched all to hell. We're coming upon the main road now, so probably should be able to make it. Oh yeah, see there's roadblocks over here. Not surprised, I probably shouldn't have went that way, but I don't know how else I would have gotten home. And the rest of the road should be pretty clear, so that's it for now.